Friends, here we discuss some more question of exercise 1.2. Question number 3. Remember this, given that prove that the greatest integer function f r to r fx is equal to box of x. You know that about this function fx is equal to box of x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where box of x is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Already we know about this function. Now in our first side we say that given function is not 1 1 not onto, because if we take any real numbers 2.5 or minus 2.5, then box of minus 2.5 is equal to minus 3. Box of minus 2.1 is equal to also minus 3. Minus 2.5 and minus 2.1 not equal, but image of both value under f equal minus 3. So given function not a 1 1 function, and the range of this function becomes a integer. Box of x is a integer function, greatest integer function. So range of f is equal to z. Here codomain of function is a r. So given function is not a onto function. Now taking counter example, we prove this given function is not 1 1 and onto. X1 is equal to minus 2.5. F of x1 is equal to f of minus 2.5 is equal to box greatest integer not greater than minus 2.5, that is minus 3. Same for x is equal to x2 is equal to minus 2.1. f x2 is equal to f of minus 2.1 is equal to box of minus 2.1 is equal to also minus 3. Remember this, why we take a 3. So x1 not equal to x2, but fx1 is equal to fx2. So this function associate two distinct number with the same number. So image of distinct numbers under f are equal. So we say that this is a many one function, that is not a 1 1. Therefore f is not 1 1, or write in a short, many one function. Now for onto, here fx is equal to box of x given. Therefore range of given function is equal to, we know that what is the range of given function, z, not equal to r. It's a codomain, and we know that by definition, if range of given function is equal to its a codomain, then we say that a given function is a onto function. But in this case, range of given function becomes integer not equal to its a codomain r. Therefore f is not onto. Clear? So remember this, how to prove this given function is 1 1 or not, onto or a not. Show that the modulus function FR2R fx is equal to mod of x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where mod of x is x if x is positive or 0 and mod of x is minus x if x is a negative. This function is also not 1 1. Think why. Not onto. Think why. Here mod of x is a positive value of x. Remember this. If we take x1 is equal to minus 2, then fx1 is equal to f of minus 2 is equal to mod of minus 2 is equal to mod of minus 2 is equal to modulus function. We know that 2. x2 is equal to take 2, then mod of x2 of fx2 x2 is equal to 2, then fx2 is equal to mod of, directly take a 2 is equal to 2. Therefore x1 not equal to x2, x1 not equal to x2, but fx1 is equal to fx2. So function f is not 1 1. Clear? Now prove that given function is a not onto. Here function defined by modulus mod of x. Therefore, what is the range of given function? R plus union 0. Because mod of any real number always positive and mod of 0 is a 0. So range of f becomes R plus union 0, not equal to, it's a codomain R. Codomain. Clear? Therefore f is not onto. Clear? Now question number 5. Show that the sinum function f R to R given by fx is equal to 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, and 1 if x less than 0, is neither 1 1 nor onto. This sinum function is not 1 1, not onto. Think why. For x1 is equal to, take any positive numbers, that is the numbers greater than 0. x1 is equal to take 2, then x1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 2 greater than 0, so we select. So fx1 is equal to f2 is equal to 1, and x2 is equal to, take any value other than 2 greater than 0, that is a positive 5. So f x2 is equal to f5, and image of 5 under f is equal to 1. So x1 not equal to x2, but x1 is equal to f x2. Therefore, f is not 1 1. Clear this? Now, what you say about this function is onto or not, surjective or not. Onto, that is a surjective, you know. Here range of given function is equal to, here minus 1 0 1, and codomain of a function is both not same, codomain. Clear? Therefore, f is not onto. Clear? So is equation how to prove this given function is a 1 1 or not, onto or not. Now question number 6. Let a is equal to 1 2 3, set b is equal to 4 5 6 7, and function f defined by 1 4 2 5 3 6 b function show that f is 1 1. In our first side, this function becomes 1 because image of 1 under f is equal to 4, f of 1 is equal to 4, image of 2, f2 is equal to 5, and the image of 3 is equal to 6. Image of 1 2 3 uniques. Therefore, f is 1 1. Clear? What you say about this function is onto or not? Range of given function become 4 5 6. Codomain of function is a 4 5 6 7. So range of function not equal to its a codomain. So given function is not onto function. Here we only prove that given function is a 1 1 function. Question number 7. In each of the following case, state whether the function is 1 1, onto, or bijective. Justify your answer. Number 1 given, f R2R defined by fx is equal to 3 minus 4x. Think which type of given function. Is this function 1 1 or not, onto or not? In our first side, this function becomes 1 1 because for different value of x we get a different image. That is for every real number different image we get a different image. Same range of function becomes it's a codomain R. So this function becomes 1 1 and onto. Now we prove this and think how to prove this 1 1 and onto. To prove that given function is 1 1, take two value. Let x1 x2 belongs to R. R, that is first R. Domain fx1 is equal to fx2. First, suppose that for x1, x2 belongs to R, fx1 is equal to fx2. Therefore, fx1 is equal to 3 minus 4x1 and fx2 is equal to 3 minus 4x2. 3 from both sides cancel. We get minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Clear? Therefore, minus 4 from both sides cancel. We get x1 is equal to x2. So, taking fx1 is equal to fx2, we prove that x1 equal to x2. So, by definition, we say that function f is 1, 1. Clear, student? Now, prove that given function is 1, 2. You know that how to prove this given function is 1, 2? Taking a y belongs to its a codomain, get x belongs to its a domain, so that fx is equal to becomes a y. For this, take a y belongs to R. Let y belongs to R that is a second, that is a co-domain. Y belongs to R, compare with fx. Fx is equal to y. This implies here fx is equal to, we know that 3 minus 4x. So 3 minus 4x is equal to y. So this implies 4x take this side, or 3 take this side and divide by 4. In this case here 4 take this side, so we get a positive 4x is equal to y take this side, so 3 minus y. Therefore, or this implies x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4. Y is real number. 3 minus y upon 4 is also real number. That is x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4 belongs to its a domain. Clear this? So for y belongs to R, it's a codomain. There exists x belongs to R, it's a domain such that fx is equal to y. Therefore, for y belongs to R, codomain, there exists x belongs to R domain such that fx is equal to y. Therefore, f is 1, 2. Clear? Think how to prove this given function is 1, 1 and 1, 2. If in our first side given function become 1, 1, then we prove taking x1, x2 belongs to R, fx1 equal to fx2, and prove that x1 equal to x2. And if is 1 on 2, then also we prove taking y belongs to its a codomain, and we get x belongs to its a domain such that fx is equal to y. Clear this? Now number 2, here given that f is a function from R to R, fx is equal to 1 plus x square. What do you say about this function? Think which type of function is given, is 1, 1 or not, on 2 or not. Remember this here, square of any real number is always positive. 1 is positive, that is 1 plus x square always become positive. So taking x one value negative like as minus 2, so this become minus 2 square 4 plus 1 5. Taking x is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 square 4 plus 1 5. Minus 2 not equal to 2, but f of minus 2 is equal to f of 2, so given function becomes not 1 1, and the range of given function becomes a positive value. Clear? So given function is not 1 1, not on 2. Now we prove this given function is not 1 1. For x1 is equal to 2, f x1 directly take a f2 is equal to 1 plus 2 square is equal to 5, x2 is equal to minus 2, f of minus 2 is equal to 1 plus minus 2 square is equal to 5. Here x1 not equal to x2, but f x1 is equal to f x2. Clear? Therefore f is not 1 1. Clear this? Now for onto, prove that given function is not onto. Directly we prove this given function is not onto. For x belongs to R, x square greater than or equal to 0, so 1 plus x square greater than or equal to 0, range of given function becomes R plus, that is a all positive real number set of. Here second method, taking any negative numbers belongs to R, let for minus 2 belongs to R, second that is a codomain, fx is equal to minus 2, therefore fx is equal to 1 plus x square is equal to minus 2, so 1 take this side, so x square is equal to minus 3, therefore x is equal to plus or minus root of 3 not belongs to R. So for minus 2 belongs to R, that does not x belongs to R, therefore for minus 2 belongs to R, there does not x belongs to R, such that fx is equal to minus 2, so f is not onto. Or second method, for all x belongs to R. This is the second method. Remember this, how to prove this given function becomes onto or not. Second method, for x belongs to R, x square greater than or equal to 0, therefore 1 plus x square greater than 1 add 1 on both sides. Therefore fx greater than or equal to 1. Therefore range of f not equal to, it's a codomain, so f is not onto. Clear this? Now question number 8. Let A and B be set so that f A cross B to B cross A such that f of AB is equal to BA is bijective function. Bijective, that is a injective and a surjective. That means function is 1 1 and onto, then given function is said to be bijective. In our first side, given function becomes 1 1, also becomes a onto. Think how to prove this. To prove given function is a 1 1 function, take a 2 value from A cross B. Let for x1 is equal to AB, x2 is equal to, take any value, CD belongs to A cross B, and assume that fx1 is equal to fx2. Then we prove this x1 and x2 both are equal. Here fx1 is equal to f of AB is equal to f of x2 is a CD. So this implies FAB is equal to, we know that by relation f of AB is a BA, so f of this is equal to BA and f of CD is equal to DC. Now compare both order pair. Here we get B is equal to D and A is equal to C. So this implies A, B is equal to, here A is equal to C, B is equal to D. So this implies AB is a x1 and the CD is a x2. So fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. So f is a 1 1. Clear this? Now prove that given function is a onto function. For onto, take y belongs to B cross A. Let for y is equal to, take any value, P Q belongs to B cross A. This is a codomain. Compare with x is equal to AB, fx is equal to y. Let for y is equal to PQ belongs to B cross A, x is equal to AB, f of x is equal to y. Here x is equal to AB, we take in A cross B. So f of AB is equal to y is a PQ. Therefore f of AB is a BA is equal to PQ. Therefore B is equal to P and A is equal to Q. Therefore x is equal to A, replace A by Q and B by P. So x is equal to PQ belongs to A cross B domain. Therefore, for Y belongs to codomain A B cross A, there exists X belongs to A cross B domain such that fx is equal to y. Therefore, f is onto. Clear? So given function becomes 1 1 and the onto function. Now question number 9. For a function f n to n, fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and n by 2 if n is even. In our first sight, this function is not a 1 1, because if we take n is equal to any odd number 3, then 3 plus 1 by 2 becomes 4 by 2, that is 2, and n is odd even, n is equal to 4, then 4 by 2, that is a 2. 3 not equal to 4, but both have same image, so given function becomes many one function, that is not a 1 1. So for x1 is equal to 3 or n1 is equal to 3, here numbers given, so take n1 and n2. n1 is equal to 3, f n1 is equal to n1 is equal to 3 is odd, so we select first relation. 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2, that is a 2, and n2 is equal to 4. f n2 is equal to 4 is a even, so 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore 3 not equal to 4, that is n1 not equal to n2, but f n1 is equal to f n2. Clear? Therefore f is not 1 1. Clear? Now for onto function, take a different value of n from a domain starting from 1. f1 is equal to 1 is odd, so 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to becomes 1. f of 2 is even, so 2 by 2 is equal to 1. f of 3 here becomes 4 by 2, that is a 2. f of 4 is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. f of 5 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, that is a 3. Clear this? Here 5. Now f of 6 is equal to, also we get a 3. So n. So range of given function Rf is equal to becomes 1 2 3 1 2 3 and so on, and 1 2 3 set of all natural number is a n. So range of given function is equal to its a codomain. So f is on 2. But here function is not 1 1, so given function is not a bijective. Only 1 1 or only on 2. Function is only on 2, not 1 1. So f is not bijective. Clear this? F is not a bijective. Now question number 10. For set A is equal to R minus 3 and set B is equal to R minus 1, consider the function f a to b fx is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3 is 1 1 and on to justify your answer. Here A is a set of real number other than 3 and B is a set of real number other than 1. So in our first side, given function becomes 1 1 and 1 2. Now we prove how to this function becomes 1 1. Let for x1 x2 belongs to A, fx1 is equal to fx2. Clear? So this implies fx1 is equal to x1 minus 2 upon x1 minus 3 is equal to fx2 is equal to x2 minus 2 upon x2 minus 3. So this implies, now take cross product, we get x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 3. Clear? So this implies, now split both sides, x1 into x2, that is x1 x2, minus x1 into 3, that is a 3 minus 3x1, minus 2 into x2, that is minus 2x2, minus 2 into minus 3, that is a plus 6, is equal to, same here, x1 x2 minus 3x2 minus 2x1 minus minus plus 6. Here 6 from both sides cancel, x1 x2 from both sides cancel. Here minus 2x1 take this side, so becomes 2x1 minus 3x1 is equal to minus 2x2 take this side, so become 2x2 plus minus 3x2. So this implies this become minus x1, this becomes a minus x2, therefore x1 is equal to x2. So for x1 is equal to fx2, we get x1 equal to x2. So we say that f is 1 1. Clear? Now we prove that given function is a onto function. For this, take for y belongs to R, there exists x belongs to A such that fx is equal to y. Let for y belongs to B, codomain fx is equal to y. Compare with fx. Therefore, fx is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3 is equal to y. Therefore, now formulate x from this. X minus 3 take this side, so we get x minus 2 is equal to y into x, that is xy, y into minus 3, that is minus 3y. Therefore here xy take this side, so we get x minus x into y is equal to minus 2 take this side, so become plus 2 minus 3y. Clear? Therefore x take common, so we get 1 minus y is equal to 2 minus 3y. Therefore x is equal to 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y, and belongs to, this is any real number other than 1, so belongs to A. Therefore for y belongs to B codomain, there exists x is equal to 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y belongs to A domain such that fx is equal to y. Clear? Therefore f is a onto, so function is 1 1 and onto, so f is bijective, therefore f is a bijective. Clear this? Similarly, you can able to solve question number 11 and 12, both are MCQ type question given. In our this lecture, most important question are question number 5, important question number 5, next question number 8, question number 9, and question number 10. Now next topics we discuss in a next lecture.